Pelting down rain. Autumn, winter rain, guys. Look at that cloud, it's huge. Yeah, come around this way. Look out that window there, up that way. That cloud is massive.
Oh, it's awesome.
That black one down up there, see?
It's awesome. But it won't last long.
Oh, heavens no.
It's only one big...
My goodness, it's going stupid.
It's just come to water my garden, that's what it's done. Oh, is that hail? No,
I don't know.
I think it is.
Or just heavy drops.
It's getting a bit haily. Holy haily.
Holy Haley. Yeah, you're right, there is hail.
Cool.
Look down there. Oh, too late, you're gone. Look on your footpath.
I know, it's beautiful.
It's hail, guys. It's going crazy. Well, this came out of nowhere. Oh. The hail's huge. It might. It's going stupid.
Oh my goodness.
Shit.
It's coming on the windowsill.
Yeah.
That doesn't happen very often.
No. It's huge bits.
Wow.
I mean, it's not golf ball size, but they're big enough to see. Wow.
And I hope it stops in a minute. Or I hope it doesn't keep going, I mean.
Oh, you'll need enough to water your garden.
Yeah.
Things dry up within 5 minutes otherwise.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at that. Wow. It looks like there's snow on the grass, but it's hail. Have a look at this.
It's awesome.
Man,
All the fruit's coming.
that looks like snow. You see the centre?
Yeah.
But it's hail. It's all flooding, look.
I know.
Jeez. Crazy weather.
It's so heavy.
We don't get rain like this often.
Oh, Michelle and Don might be driving home in this.
Who?
Michelle and Don.
Oh, sugar. Oh, they'll be alright. Look at this bit that goes over the hose. Going over the hose. Look at that bit going over that hose. It's like a
The waterfall.
Man.
A lot of people will be getting flooded out, you know.
Yeah, and this has only been going for like 5 minutes. What are you having?
Strong on hand.
Oh. Man. You're already flooded out there. That's literally an inch deep.
That'll go.
It will go, but look how much your footpath's just about gone.
It's awesome. Here you are. You can have that.
Oh, okay, thank you.
I like sharing.
Sharing's caring. Geez, we don't get this often. Not with hail anyway.
Perfect.
Not in this area.
I was thinking I had to go out and put the
It's still hailing. Sorry, you were gonna what?
I was thinking I'll probably have to go out and put the hot, the sprinklers on.
Well, you don't have to.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Jeez. Your garden's going to get drenched. Look at that.
It needs it. Look at all the fruit that's come off the tree.
Yeah, I know. Man,
This is a good cloud storm.
hailstorm. I think the hail's gone now. It's more rain now.
Yeah, it's easing off.
But gee, that hail was huge.
It's great.
It's the size of a pebble. Didn't I show you on the radar that it was coming?
We weren't sure though.
No, but it was coming. There we go, it's going now.
Yeah. Darren's going to come round and clean all my gutters out.
Who?
Darren.
Ah!
Not for nothing. Not to pay him.
Coming like a river. This is at my godmother's, guys. She coming like a river. Excuse me.